The world of snakes, often misunderstood, frequently feared, yet endlessly fascinating. These remarkable reptiles, with their sinuous movements and unnervingly watchful eyes, have inhabited this planet for over 100 million years. Join me as we uncover 10 incredible facts about snakes, revealing the secrets behind their cold-blooded success. Snakes, it turns out, are incredibly diverse. From the emerald tree boa in the rainforest canopy to the fearsome king cobra in Southeast Asia, their forms are as varied as the environments they inhabit. Over 3,000 species of snakes grace our planet, each exquisitely adapted to their particular niche. The snake's tongue, flickering in and out, is one of its most iconic features. It is a highly sensitive olfactory organ, constantly sampling the environment for information. Each flick collects scent particles, delivering them to the Jacobson's organ, allowing the snake to build a detailed smell map of its surroundings. The sight of a snake consuming prey many times larger than its head is a testament to the incredible flexibility of their jaws. Unlike our rigid jaws, a snake's jawbones are connected by elastic ligaments, allowing them to separate widely and swallow prey whole. While the ability to fly might seem like the domain of birds and insects, certain snake species have evolved a remarkable ability to glide. The Chrysopelia, or flying snake, flattens its body to create a concave surface, launching itself from treetops and gliding across distances. These serpentine aviators are a testament to the boundless creativity of evolution. In the African savanna, speed is everything, and few animals embody this more than the black mamba. Feared for its potent venom and aggressive nature, this sleek serpent is also one of the fastest snakes on Earth. Capable of slithering at speeds up to 12 miles per hour, the black mamba strikes with deadly precision. In a world where food can be scarce, snakes have evolved an extraordinary adaptation, the ability to go for extended periods without eating. Their slow metabolisms and ability to enter a state of brumation allow them to conserve energy, surviving on stored fat reserves for weeks, months, or even a year. The world of snake reproduction is as diverse as the snakes themselves. While most snakes lay eggs, others give birth to live young. Viviparous species like boas and vipers nourish their embryos through a placenta-like structure. Ovoviviparous snakes, such as garter snakes, incubate their eggs within their bodies, giving birth to live young. As snakes grow, they must shed their skin in a process known as ecdysis. The old skin, now too small, begins to separate from the new, forming a milky layer beneath. The snake rubs its head against rough surfaces, loosening the old skin and slowly wriggling free. What emerges is a snake with a fresh, vibrant new skin, ready to face the challenges of the wild. The rainforests of Southeast Asia are home to a true giant of the snake world, the reticulated python. This magnificent creature, adorned with an intricate pattern, holds the record for the world's longest snake. Reaching lengths of over 30 feet, the reticulated python is a powerful constrictor, capable of taking down large prey. For many, the venom of a snake inspires fear, and rightfully so. These complex cocktails of toxins are potent weapons, capable of subduing prey and deterring predators. But venom, in the right hands, can also be a source of healing. Scientists are increasingly studying snake venoms to develop life-saving medications, from painkillers to anti-clotting agents. So there you have it, 10 unbelievable facts about snakes that reveal the incredible diversity, adaptability, and sheer wonder of these often misunderstood creatures. I hope this glimpse into their world has sparked your curiosity and perhaps even changed your perspective. If you enjoy this content, please like, share, comment, and subscribe for more amazing videos. Join me next time as we delve into the equally fascinating world of sharks.